Gang. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Dan is back in the building. You see me and see what we deal with today. Yeah, man. You don't know me a lot what we are dealing with. You don't know the banger reactions them coming. And today we have the artist Today we have the artist where we reacted to him when he just really started. You see me and say. And it's been a while since we reacted to him, but he's been doing great in the game so far. He's been developing very well. He's been growing in his own style. You see me, and his own swag and everything. You see me? And the quality of music and videos production since day one has been great. You see me? So he's really growing into his own. He's still young in the game. You see me? But as time goes on, him definitely can system get better and better. Let's see who we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're there with Jquan. The song out there with today now, man. The title got me questioning stuff, you know, dog. The title got me thinking and got me questioning some stuff, cause the title, the one entitled Hometown. You see me? And yo, you don't know the hometown from your town. I hear hear about the voice note from social from IG when the dog said, yo, out there in town and can't see them. So the title kind of, I wonder if everybody are play off of that, the voice note, they use the voice note and are making a theme of music, or if you don't know, say we just reacted to Blow Squash Big Breeze. So me wonder, you answer Squash? Is this a shot at Squash? You see me and say, cause Squash just make a song called Big Breeze. You see me and I say, yo, out there in town I can't say a note. Jquan just drop Hometown. So I wonder, is it, we have to go see what going on. You see me and say, we have to go see what, check it out and see what going on. But see the title, the title is like, got me thinking, bro. So, Jquan, I want to see what go on, but I feel like he's playing off the same voice note, out in them tone and cancel them, so I want to see what dog I deal with it. You see me, we don't want to be very much. Jquan, Hometown, let's get it, gang.
Cash cord. Smoke a chunk from a dollar.
I say, like, from day one, like, Jquan's quality when it comes to his music and video production has just been, so I have to give that and props. You see me? Yeah, man.
Scholar call full some wire cash. Wire cash. Cool.
Woohoo, bloody fine. Moms, them there, arm to them. I'm crying line, I'm pure. This one sound like a voice I'm liking. Who chip on feet, I want to them. Come in.
Smoke a chunk from a dollar. Only 7 days a week until a client drop. How me here say them a me show is a liar that a grown plane trillion like me a pilot. Here is a cap and a jagger, so be quiet for.
Hold on. The man says 7 days. When he say smoker come from a dial 7 days a week, me run it till me find out what? Client dog. Woohoo! So them a chopper, them a capper. Wait. Me don't like all this are so like say dog. Hey, is the dog dance a Squash, brother? Here we are going. Take it again, come in.
Smoke a chunk from a dollar. Only 7 days a week until a client drop. How me here say them a me show is a liar that a grown plane trillion like me a pilot.
Man say who me here say a me a liar that grown plane. How go on? You don't know say meat mean rich, you know. Say man say who say them a me a liar that. You see me who say them rich a liar. Hey yo, be like hey.
It's a cap and a jagger, so be quiet fam. Can't broke again, no see giant drop. Fee 5-4 in a mark count is a hot caps. Yo, cash good, I keep
5-4 in a account is a hot claps. 3-5-4 mean giant. You see yeah, 3-5-4 from Jack and the Big Simon say 3-5-4 in a account, bro. Boom, come in. I'm telling you, bro, Jquan, bro, your style, niggas, tag Jquan, gang. Tag Jquan in this video, bro. Jquan, bro, you one of the best up and coming, bro. I've been keeping an eye on your music for a while now, G. You see me? Yeah, man. The man, I squash it out against me.
And drop fee 5-4 in a mark count is a hot caps. Yo, cash good, I can't
can I man account you?
Not a hometown, them no inna. Be crown and the beamer. Try size up and make me rise up the middle fast. Spend it off, yeah.
Bro, that's a hometown, them no inna. Rise up the crown and the beamer. Hey, yo, this bad. This bad. Jquan. Come on, my G.
Not a hometown, them no inna. Drop your crown and the beamer. Try size up and make me rise up the million fast. Spend it off, yeah, me know for brav. Tap it talking and make it off. $500,000 on my bag, I'ma spend it off. I'ma even give a fuck, but I'ma make it fast.
$500,000 on my bag, I'ma spend it fast. I mean, no give a fuck, I'ma make it. Come in.
I make it fast. Chippy beats from my states with my skull card info. Claim serious, but my sure say I nah live so. Canadian food I eat, transfer flingo. Bang a tone active while you feel some sing.
Say you're rich, but me know you nah live so you would go.
So, hi, me lucky game for 16. So you know what this mean. Nah, no reason for cap fam. Not a hometown.
But lucky from 16, so you know what that mean. Now I have a reason for cap around here, brother. We do this for real. I want man me church for real. Jquan talk.
Nah, drop your crown and the beamer. Try size up and make me rise up the million fast. Spin it off, yeah, me know for brav. Tap it talking and making it off.
Tap it talking, bro. I'm making it talk. Not a hometown then, no, you know. Ride the crown and the beamer. Try size up and make me rise up the miller. Hey, easy.
$500,000 on my bag, I'ma spend it off. I'ma even give a fuck, but I'ma make it fast. I'ma make it fast. Hard life.
CMB Maki me have in a Jquan. Yeah, see me. CMB Maki me have, brother. After that. Easy now, man.
Code life.
Code.
Your cash code. Jagga for
Not a hometown them now, you know. This going to the playlist. I want to you. That is at Big Breeze. I don't know if we talk each other or not. Really pan race. So you mean, Michi? I mean, if we talk to each other or not, but the two songs you have to dip on the playlist. To them. Come on, Jquan dog, been doing this thing, bro. I like your rise of the like your rise of the dog. I hope you dog keep on the momentum, you know, dog. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, man, this is a vibe. Playlist vibes. You see me? Man, for the banger too. Look for the banger too. You man take it back in the days. Look for the banger. Look for the banger. You man take it back to Victorian eras. You see me? The man taking it back in the days. You see me? The man I say I've been doing this since historical times, brother. I want to you, man. We don't get the history book with this. Pick up yourself, Jquan, dog. Yeah, man, look for the banger. Oh, please. That's what she. A lot of y'all don't know what that's a rotary telephone. You see me? I say, don't ask me, I know that. You see me? I just know a lot of random shit. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. Man, I say a long time no man do this, brother. You see me? They can put them badness, them choppings in a museum. You see me? I say. Yeah, man, big up Jquan, bro. Like I said, man, visuals and song, like production quality is always up there, man. You see me? He's doing this thing as an artist. And I didn't even think that in a year, in the game 2 year good yet. You see me? I said, don't quote me if I run that one. You see me? But dog are doing thing, we definitely like it. Like where dog move, dog vibes, music and everything is definitely a shot. So, yeah, man, I do thing, man. Big up Jquan. Let me know what your favorite part was, gang. Let me know if you like that. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. And make sure Jambisco dancing, you know. You see me answer? If you like it, drop your favorite part. Was it the video, the music? You see me? Was it the video, the music? Was it the flow, the visuals? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part was. The hook, the lyrics. Let me know what it was. You see me? The overall content. Let me know what is the favorite part. And drop your requests. And I'll definitely get that done. You'll also get your shout out. Remember that. You see me? I always give y'all your shout out. Yeah, man, let's discuss this, man. Do you think Jquan attacked Squash? You see me? And do you think Squash was talking Jquan? You see me? Let me know. Do you think Squash, did you just ask in a general message? You see me? And do you even think Jquan is talking Squash? Or Jquan just talk in general. You see me, and that just get a bad concept from the whole out of them town thing, and probably see squash thing and get a bad concept. You never know, You see me, it can always have to be a beef or like town shot. You can just be like, you know what I'm saying? Let me know anything about the overall situation and the song. You see me, let's chop it up in the comment section. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. It's a boy Jambisco. Make sure you take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.